Good morning, students. Today we will study about cartoonist, chapter 28, page number 44. You also concentrate here, page number 44. There are many cartoonists who have created a niche for themselves and by means of their art have also voiced the opinions and feeling of common populace. So let's start. Japiro Japiro, his real name is Jonathan Shapiro. He is an award-winning editorial cartoonist from Cape Town, South Africa. He has published 19 cartoon collections and his work has gained international acceptance. Some of his work include Do You Know Who I Am? In the year of 2010, The Last Sushi 2011, But Will It Stand Up in Court? In the year of 2012, My Big Fat Gupta Wedding 2013 and It's Code Red 2014. Known as given here Siham Jabri Algeria. Siham Jabri Algeria. Siham Jabri is one of the most talented female cartoonists of Africa. Her work is imbued with color and highlights some of Africa's most persistent problems including war, hunger, terrorism, inequality, justice for victims of atrocities, corruption in social and struggle of European immigrants. सीहम जेबरी अफ्रीका की सबसे प्रतिभाशाली महिला कार्टूनिस्ट में से एक है। उसके काम को रंग से प्रेरित किया गया है और अफ्रीका की कुछ सबसे लगातार समस्याओं पर प्रकाश डाला गया है, जिसमें युद्ध, भूख, आतंकवाद, असमानता, अत्याचार के शिकार लोगों के लिए न्याय, फुटबॉल में भ्रष्टाचार, यूरोपीय प्रवासियों का संघर्ष शामिल है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नॉन एज गिवन हियर अजीम जेड। ही वाज एन Azerbaijani born cartoonist and artist who made a foot for himself in the area of satirical drawing and graphics through his exceptional caricature and composition. Some of his best known works were Tightrope Walker, Dogfight, Koskosa, Ulbaku, Division of Property. A daughter is born, Trumpet Cards, Face of Fascism, Watch Dogs of Imperialism, Lion and Kitten, Old to Old, and Anthology Half Name. So it is some famous work of Azim Jaid. You remember it. Next given here George Remy. He was a Belgian cartoonist and illustrator who became popular by his pen name Herj. He is regarded as one of the greatest cartoonists. His most famous work includes the creation of The Adventure of Tintin series of comics strip in 1929. जॉर्ज रेमी वह एक बेल्जियम के कार्टूनिस्ट और इलिस्ट्रेटर थे जो अपने पेन नाम हेरगे से लोकप्रिय हुए। उन्हें सबसे बड़े कार्टूनिस्ट में से एक माना जाता है। उनके प्रसिद्ध काम में शामिल है 1929 में न्यू लेयरवेल की कॉमिक स्ट्रिप्स के द एडवेंचर ऑफ टिंटिन श्रृंखला का निर्माण भी उन्होंने किया था। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 45। मैट ग्रोएनिंग. He is popular American cartoonist, animator, writer, producer and voice actor. Who is Matt Groening? He rose to fame with the comic strip Life in Hell and his animated television series The Simpsons. R.K. Lakshman, you know about him. Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Lakshman, famously known as R.K. Lakshman. R.K. Lakshman's full name is Rasipuram Krishna Swamy Lakshman. Was an Indian cartoonist who created the comic strip You Said It, highlighting the common man, a mute onlooker representing the average Indian. His comic strip related the life of the average Indian, his hope, aspirations and difficulties. Thomas Nash. Thomas Nash, he is known as the father of the American cartoon. Who is Thomas Nash? And was one of the most influential artists of the 19th century. His satirical political cartoon and caricatures helped to expose the corruption of Democratic Representative Boss Tweed and the Tammany Hall Democratic Party political match machine. He worked for justice and fair play and crusade for civil reform. He exposed the evils rampant in the American society and also created the modern version of Santa Claus. K. Shankar Pillai, he is prominent Indian cartoonist who became famous by his pen name Shankar. He is also known as the father of political cartooning. In India, during emergency, he had to close down the magazine and he devoted himself to children writing. He was awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 1976. Who? K. Shankar Pillai. He established Children's Book Trust and Shankar's International Dolls Museum in Delhi. Let's practice match the cartoonists with their relevant contributions. Azim Zaid. So match it. Our daughter is born. Shankar, before some time, at last paragraph you studied about it. Shankar, Children's Book Trust. And Japiro, number A Big Fat Gupta Wedding. Matt Groening, The Simpsons, and George Remy, Adventures of Tintin. So students, let's practice about it and create some question answer one liner from this chapter, and if any doubt then consult it into meeting.